Hey guys, I have no energy. I'm very tired, so I'm sorry if I sound like a clown in this. More than usual. But I got this for Easter from the Easter Bunny. So I had a basket on my recliner because I'm old. But it was awesome. It had chocolates and 2014 museum collection. So, cut in this little security tag here. Yeah. Anyway, very tired, which sucks, but I am excited to do this video, so hoping it works out pretty well. You have a box topper on top of here, so make sure it didn't fall in. Obviously, box toppers are randomly inserted on top of here, so you could get one. Pre-slice each. I know it doesn't show the whole thing in this camera, but that's not important. I'll keep the one that matters in front of you guys. Pack number 1 of 4. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
You're welcome.
Easter Bunny is a female. Okay. Oh yeah. Move this knife. Cut one arm up. Makes for a good video though. Gio. Can't slide these cards very well. Julio. David. Matt Moore. The regular bronze type deal. And the hit is Philadelphia /99. What did I say? Philadelphia. I must have read the card before it. Hang on a second. What am I doing? Let's skip a card here. I don't know. Anyway. See? I'm tired. It's proved it. Yeah. Quad piece with some dirt on it. And stripes. It's primary pieces, obviously. It's Chris Sale. Still trying to figure out why I said Philadelphia. That was weird. Anyway. Lighting is kind of poor. Those are green stripes. Not black stripes. So maybe the St. Patrick's Day, White Sox home uni. Hard to tell. Anyway, because I have some with green stripes at Griffey as well. They did a couple of different jersey cards of Griffey where they had his. What's holiday? St. Patrick's Day. We'll celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I have Irish background, but that's stupid. I only celebrate it in Ireland, so that's fine. Anyway. Wade Miley. David Freese. Fake canvas card of Ozzy. Pretty sure it's fake. Should double check that, but I'm pretty sure. Sashi, whatever. Yeah. Some picture for the Mariners. Let me see. Yeah, not numbered, so. And back card is Adrian Beltre, 25. Man, gotta get over on camera. Beltre, momentous material. It's a cool look. Lumber relic. Cool. Happy now. Yeah, I'm taking my time. It's not a group break. This came from the Easter Bunny. This isn't 20 different people's break. So, I'm enjoying it. For those of you out there saying, hurry the f up. Because I can guarantee somebody's already said that to themselves. Some things shouldn't be rushed. Mike Trout. Bunch of stains on his uniform there. Johnny Bench. Todd Frazier. Troy Tulowitzki, green /199. And the hit, probably sideways like this, I imagine. Signature swatches. I'm not going to drag it because it's going to sticker auto and I don't want to ruin that. So, Kyle Seager, patch auto. Out of $2.99. It's black on gray. Again, I'm not sure how the lighting's going to look on this, so looks fine in person, but I'm not sure in here. Kyle Seager. Little young gun. Young star. And there should be a veteran autograph in this, or a specialty card. Should be. I'd rather not be a redemption unless it's Griffey Jr.'s museum, which I'm fine with. If it is Griffey Jr. And there is a redemption in there. You see the blue hanging out, so if it's Griffey, I'm cool with it. There's the brown / copper / gold Mike Trout. There's a little base on there, both unnumbered. Segura, Mattingly, Randy Johnson, big unit, good. Maybe his former teammate Ken Griffey Jr.'s under here. Although there are 6,300 different Reds autographs. Museum auto gold frames so far, perfect. That could be Willie Mays or Ken Griffey Jr. that I know have redemptions for this card. Fine with either. Moose. Still not bad at all. Moose is a beast. I wonder if he'll be in a Yankees uniform in this. I don't know. Orioles or Yankees? I wonder how they'll uniform him in there. Probably the Yankees, which is probably better for collectors. So, auto gold frames. That'll be out of 15 on-card autograph of Moose. So close. Willie Mays and Griffey have the same redemption. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Easter Bunny.
You're welcome.
Take care.